Today I'm excited because I'm going to be reviewing a new style from Paula Young. This is Greer in the exclusive color Fudge Swirl. So while Greer is beautiful just like she comes, I've been eyeing up all of these modern, trendy looking bixies where it's part bob, part pixie, and a little more funky. And I feel like she really has that stylish potential. And I want to see what I can do with her to sort of restyle it up, if you will. So if you guys want to stay along and watch me restyle this, well then come on, let's go. Welcome to BB Hair. My name is Beth and I'm so happy that you're here with me today. Today I'm excited because I'm going to be reviewing a new style from Paula Young. This is Greer in the exclusive color Fudge Swirl. Before I get started, I want to let you know that I am wearing the adorable Rowan in Vanilla Swirl. Now I did a review on her, which I will include the link up here. You can also expand the description box as well for all of my links. And I want to remind you, when you're shopping at Paula Young, please put in my promo code BBH. That will give you free shipping on your orders over $69. Now I know Paula Young is automatically doing free shipping, but I would truly appreciate it if you would put in BBH promo code. That way they know you've watched my videos and that I've inspired you to shop over there. I did do an unboxing of Greer in my hair mail haul video, which I'll link up here. And I just want to let you know I didn't do anything with her and I put her right back in the box. So today is her proper review. Let's get started. All right, I want you to really see that Fudge Swirl color. So pretty. Greer is your basic cap wig with that soft felt front, your open top. We do have the open ear tabs with the bendy stay, and we have a extended nape, the Velcro adjusters, and a really good amount of stretch. So you can see her top here with the crisscross part. It feels very lightweight. I don't feel much for permatease, but I want to show you the dimension of the color. Now the color code on Fudge Swirl is 3103101. Now that is dark brown in this base with a neutral blonde, and then we have silver and platinum highlights. Now in contrast, Vanilla Swirl is your lightest blonde platinum with the chocolate brown root. So I just kind of wanted you to see the difference in the color, although this looks pretty light when I put it on because they have the money piece of the blonde colors at the front, if you can see that here. But let's just look at the back in comparison. So Vanilla Swirl and Fudge Swirl. Almost like inside out colors. All right, let's go ahead and put it on. Woo! Okay, let me do a quick comb through her, get her in the right spot. All right, let's put her stock photo up and then we'll do a little comparison. Now let's spin, left side. Oh, that's really cute. Good movement. Lots of layers. Isn't that pretty with the feather? All right, now these are made of the Whisper Light Canaclon fibers. So that's gonna be half your width of your traditional Canaclon fibers. So it is super lightweight. Now I wanna show you the cap. So they have all the blonde pieces there at the front. There is a little bit of room in this cap, but I would say that it runs true average. And you can see the ear coverage here. I didn't color my bio hair today, just so that you can see that's my bio hair color, which is about that color. But normally I would do the medium brown root spray, or not the medium brown, the light brown. So it runs a little bit smaller. Now it does have the crisscross part, so you can just sort of comb that out by combing it forward. And it's pretty darn low density. I do not feel much for permatease. There is permatease, but it's super lightweight. There is not much. Now you can do an easy ear tuck with this and just keep it nice and sleek, little ear tuck. And I think that is a super cute look. I think this style is super pretty as is. If you like a lower density style, you like this length with a little bit of layers, I think that's super pretty. So while Greer is beautiful just like she comes, I've been eyeing up all of these modern, trendy looking bixies where it's part bob, part pixie, and a little more funky. And I feel like she really has that stylish potential. And I want to see what I can do with her to sort of restyle it up, if you will. So I'm gonna go ahead and restyle her up with a little more of a funky vibe. So if you guys want to stick around, I'm gonna fast forward this part and just start playing. What do you all think? Is it too wild for you? Is it too crazy for you? Because you know you can just comb it right back down. But for me, this is like flip up collar worthy. Right? Look at that. I'm feeling a little bit like Jane Fonda. Oh my gosh, this really like brings out the color when you pull all these layers out. Oh my gosh, let's just take a spin all the way around. Oh yeah, so darn cute. So darn cute. I love it. I knew this style had a ton of potential, and I was so excited to do this review because I just felt it when I put it on. I just knew it. And so all I did was I spritzed it with a little bit of water, and then I flipped the part. It came on the left, I flipped it to the right. That automatically gave us some volume because we went sort of up and over the permatease. You saw me use my hot air brush. Something similar to this would be the NV 3-in-1 Air Styler. It has like the warm mode, but then you can do the cool shot. So that's what I did up here and on the side is I did the warm and then just a little bit because this is not heat friendly, and then I did the cool shot. And it really just took to it perfectly. I am super excited with how this turned out. Oh my gosh, I knew it could be funky. I just knew it. And how about this color? Isn't it just amazing? This is totally a salon color. I love that. It's freezing cold outside, but maybe I'll take a quick step outside just so that you can see this color out in the natural light. I would definitely classify this as a neutral to ash tone for sure. Definitely falling in more of the ash than neutral, in my opinion. I'm not a professional stylist, or a professional coloring artist, but just in my personal opinion, what I see with the naked eye. Now, I hope this gives you some encouragement with your wigs to look at a style, and maybe it's not exactly what you're looking for, but you can just do a few little modifications and you can make a wig your own. And it's so much fun. I feel like wigs really offer the potential. So what I like to encourage you to do when you get a new wig, take it out of the box, keep the tags on, put the little cap on that comes with the wig, put it on your head. Just look at it. Does it have potential to be a style that you're gonna love? If you think it does, then go ahead, take off the tags and play with it. If you don't think it does, then you're gonna wanna either return, exchange, or maybe give it away or sell it to another wig sister. I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.